Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. When it comes to managing dependencies in larger Python projects, relying solely on pip can lead to complications, especially regarding reproducibility, environment management, and dependency resolution. For bigger projects, it's often better to use more robust tools designed to handle these issues. Here, I'll introduce you to some of these tools and provide code examples for each. 1. Poetry. Poetry is a dependency management tool that aims to simplify the management of Python packages and projects. It handles dependency resolution, creates isolated environments, and facilitates packaging and publishing. Installation. You can install Poetry using the following command. Bash curl ssl https://install.python-poetry.org. Python 3. Creating a new project. To create a new project with Poetry, bash poetry new my_project. cd my_project. Adding dependencies. To add a dependency, bash poetry add requests. Managing environments. Poetry automatically creates a virtual environment for your project. You can activate it with bash poetry shell. Example pyproject.toml. toml tool.poetry. Name equals my_project. Version equals 0.1.0. Description equals authors equals your name. You at example.com. Tool.poetry.dependencies. Python equals 3.9. Requests equals 2.25.1. Build system. Requires equals Poetry core equals 1.0.0. Build backend equals poetry.core.masonry.api. 2. Pypenv. Pypenv combines pip and virtualenv into a single tool, providing a simple way to manage dependencies and virtual environments. Installation. You can install Pypenv using bash pip install pypenv. Creating a new project. Navigate to your project directory and run bash pypenv install requests. This creates a pip file and a virtual environment. Example pip file. toml. Source. URL equals https://pypy.python.org/simple. Verify _SSL equals true. Name equals pypy. Packages. Requests equals *. Dev packages. Requires Python _version equals 3.9. 3. Conda. Conda is an open source package management system and environment management system that runs on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. It is particularly popular in data science and scientific computing. Installation. You can install Anaconda or Miniconda. For Miniconda, use bash. For Linux or Mac OS, UGIT https://repo.anaconda.com/miniconda3-latest-linux-x86_64.sh. Bash miniconda 3-latest-linux-x86_64.sh. For Windows, download the installer from the Anaconda website. Creating a new environment. To create a new environment, bash conda create name myenv Python equals 3.9. Activating the environment, bash conda activate myenv. Installing packages, bash conda install requests. Example environment.yml. You can create an environment.yml file for reproducibility. YAML. Name, myenv. Dependencies. Python equals 3.9. Requests. To create an environment from the environment.yml file. Bash. Conda env create f environment.yml. For virtualenv with requirements files. While pip is often used, pairing it with virtualenv can provide better management for larger projects. Requirements.txt files can specify exact package versions for reproducibility. Installation. Bash. Pip install virtualenv. Creating a new virtual environment. Bash. Virtualenv. Activating the environment. On Windows *. Bash. venv /scripts /activate. On Mac OS /Linux *. Bash. Source venv /ben /activate. Installing dependencies. Bash. Pip install requests. Creating a requirements.txt. You can create a requirements.txt file. Bash. Pip freeze requirements.txt. To install from requirements.txt. Bash. Pip install our requirements.txt. Conclusion. For large projects, it's crucial to use tools that not only manage dependencies but also help in maintaining clean environments and ensuring reproducibility. Poetry, Python, Conda, and virtualenv combined with requirements.txt are excellent alternatives to using pip alone. Choose the one that fits your project's needs best, and you'll find managing dependencies much more straightforward.